Welcome. In this video I will show you how to format SD card in your GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. First of all, check your microSD card. Make sure that it supports A2 V30 format. Usually SD cards that are capable of storing 128 gigabytes or more usually fulfill these requirements. Now we have to insert our SD card properly, this way. Push it inside until it clicks, and then close the lid of the camera. Now we have to turn on the camera. Let's exit the modes menu. Swipe down the quick settings, then go to the first page, select manage SD card and tap delete. Confirm and then wait until your SD card is formatted. And now you're done. And from now on you can start recording your videos and photos on your formatted SD card. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.